health insurance in rural areas, submitted by GDC Mulu. Introduction. Health insurance or medical insurance is a type of insurance that covers the whole or a part of the risk of a person incurring medical expenses. Health insurance has very strong base worldwide, but the health insurance market lags behind in India. Majority of rural India people lives below poverty line and they are not capable of affording the expenses on medical aids. Health insurance is a tough task for these people. Health insurance can play a crucial role in preventing people from burden of debts. Insurance can provide them support at the time of emergency and needs. Indian government has introduced many health insurance schemes for rural people during past years with affordable prices so that they can be covered by insurance without much burden on them. Objectives of the study: to understand the current scenario of health insurance in India, to know the need of awareness on health insurance, to understand the issues in spreading awareness on health insurance and suggestions thereof. Methodology: few data collected from secondary sources, IRDAI website, and empirical analysis considered for the study.
India. Health insurance accounts for around 29% of total general insurance per income paid in India. In 2000, the government of India individualized insurance and allowed private players into the insurance sector. The advent of private insurance in India saw the introduction of many innovative products like family planner plans, critical illness plans, hospital cash and top-up policies. Presently, there are 32 non-life insurance companies which provide health insurance in India. There are 5 standalone health insurance companies as on 23/11/22. During the year 2021, generalized health insurance companies collected cross-health insurance including personal accident and travel insurance premium registering a growth of 14.74% over the previous year. Scenario of health insurance in India. The core public sector general insurance continued to hold a larger market share at 46.75%. However, there is a reduction in the market share of public sector insurance from 48.53% in 2019 to 20. Standalone health insurance also recorded a slight reduction in the market share from 27.6% in 2019 to 20 to 25.99% in 2021. The share of private insurance has increased from 24.41% in 2019 to 20 to 27.26% in 2021. During 2021, all the 5 stand-alone health insurance doing business in India have fulfilled their rural and social sector obligations as under the regulations. The 5 insurance produced gross premium in rural sector constituting 15.86% of gross premium produced by them in the year 2021. Thank you.
People health insurance awareness, changing lifestyles, non-communicable diseases are common, expensive medical care, indirect cost add to the financial burden, incomplete financial planning, issues in spreading health insurance awareness, literacy, misconceptions about health insurance, poverty, insufficient amenities in public hospitals, low number of healthcare professionals, employer group plans, lack of affordability, delays and issues in claim processing, GST burden.
Conclusion: the task of the government, private providers, and the civil society is to solve the issues and challenges. The health insurance benefits should reach the poor and the weak customers in terms of better coverage and health services at lower cost. The exciting central and state health insurance schemes also needs substantial reforms to make them more efficient and socially useful.